Today we will start with geometric progression. Okay, now see what is geometric progression. Now we have learned about arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, it was a series or sequence in which the next term was obtained by adding or subtracting something to the first term. Now in geometric progression, the second term is obtained by multiplying or dividing something to the first term. You see here 2, 4, 8, 16. Now we are multiplying 2. See 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16 and so on. Okay, always keep in mind that division is also a kind of multiplication. If you are dividing by 2, that means you are multiplying by 1 by 2. See here 8, 4, 2. Here you are what? You are dividing by 2 actually. See 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. That is what you are actually multiplying by half. 8 into half is 4, 4 into half is 2 and so on. So understood, geometric progression is a sequence or series in which the second term is obtained by multiplying or dividing something. What is that something called? That is called common ratio to the first term. Okay, so the first term is A and the common ratio is R. Common ratio is obtained by T2 divided by T1. That is the second term divided by first term. If you do, you will get the common ratio. Okay. In arithmetic progression, it was T2 minus T1, and in geometric progression, it is T2 divided by T1. Okay. And A is the first term. Now, we will see the formula. Now, the nth term formula here, Tn is equals to A r to the power n minus 1, where A is the first term, r is the common ratio, n is the position of the term. Okay. Now, for sum, we have three formulas. Now, Sn is equals to A in bracket 1 plus r to the power n by 1 minus r if mod of r is less than 1. Now, you know what is r? R is the common ratio. If you do mod of r means the positive value of r. Mod of minus 3 is 3. Mod of minus 5 is 5. Mod of 5 is 5. Okay, you will have to take the positive value. Say you have minus 1 by 3, so the mod of minus 1 by 3 is only 1 by 3. Okay. If this mod of r is less than 1, then we will use this formula. Then Sn is equals to A into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if mod of r is greater than 1. And Sn is equals to Na when r is equals to 1. Okay. Now we will move to the sums. The question says find whether the following sequence is in GP. That is, you have to see whether it is in GP or not. See, T1 is this one, T2 is this one, T3 is this one, T4 is this one. Just like AP, we'll have to find the common ratios for each and every term. R1 means what? T2 divided by T1, we get 1 by 3. R2 means what? 3 divided by T2, we get 1 by 3. And R3 is equals to T4 divided by. Now, R3 is equals to T4 divided by T3, that is equals to 1 by 3. So you see R1, R2, R3 all are same, that is equals to 1 by 3. Therefore, the given sequence is in GP. Okay. Now we will move to the next sum. The question says find the seventh term of the GP. See, this is the GP. So A is 1. Now R is equals to what? Second term divided by third term, that is root 3 divided by 1. Sorry, second term divided by first term. So root 3 divided by 1 is equals to root 3. Now we have to find T7. What is the formula of Tn? Tn is equals to A r to the power n minus 1. So T7 is equals to A means 1 into r is root 3 to the power n is 7 minus 1. So 1 into root 3 to the power 6. To the power 6 means root 3 multiplied 6 times. You see, so root 3 into root 3 is 3 here. Again, root 3 into root 3 is 3 here. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So the answer is 27. I hope you have understood number 3. Now let us move to the next sum, which is number 10. Question number 10 says find the GP whose first term is 64 and the next term is 32. So the first term is 64 and the second term is 32. So A is equals to 64 is equals to T1 and T2 is equals to 32. Now we need R. What is the value of R? R is equals to T2 divided by T1. So 32 divided by 64 is equals to 1 by 2. Now the question says find the GP. Find the GP is it is said. So we know T1, we have T2. We need 3, T4 like this. Only 3, 4 terms are enough to Tell that this is in GP. So what is T3? T3 is equals to T2 into R, isn't it? In a GP, how you obtain the next term? By multiplying R to the previous term. So if I multiply R to T2, I will get T3. So T2 into R is 32 into half, that is 16. T4 is equals to what? T3 into R. So what is T3? T3 is 16. So 16 into 1 by 2, that is 8. Therefore, the GP is 64, 32, 16, 8, and so on. Okay? Like this. Now, number 12 says find the next two terms of the series. This is C. 2, then minus A, 6. Then plus 18. Then minus 54, and so on. So here A is equals to 2, you see. Isn't it? And R is equals to what? Minus 6 divided by 2, because T2 divided by T1. So it's minus 3. Now the question says next two terms. In order to find the next term after 54, what you will do? You will multiply minus 3 to minus 54, isn't it? The next term is obtained by multiplying the common ratio. So minus 54 into minus 3 is 162. Now how you will get the next term after 162? Because the question is next two terms. So 162 into minus 3, which is a what? Common ratio. So it's minus 486. So the next two term is 162 and minus 486. I hope this is clear. Okay.